Subaru's Starlink multimedia system, found in most 2020 to 2025 models, is an advanced infotainment platform that occasionally requires resets to resolve various issues. There are three main types of resets available: soft reset for minor glitches, factory reset for major issues, and Bluetooth reset for connection problems. For a soft reset on 2020 to 2025 models, simply hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for 15 seconds. This resolves most minor issues without losing your saved settings. A factory reset completely restores the system to its original state. Access this through Settings, then General, then Factory Data Reset. This erases all personal data, including presets and paired devices. For Bluetooth connection issues, use the Bluetooth Reset. Navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, then Device List, and select Delete All. This clears all paired devices and often resolves connection problems. Knowing when to use each reset type can save time and prevent unnecessary data loss. Use Soft Reset for frozen screens or minor glitches, Factory Reset for persistent software issues, and Bluetooth Reset specifically for pairing problems. Most Subaru radio issues can be resolved with a simple basic reset. This should be your first troubleshooting step when experiencing problems with your infotainment system. Regular software updates are crucial for maintaining optimal system performance. Check for updates monthly through your vehicle's settings menu or the My Subaru app. The My Subaru app provides convenient remote access to your vehicle's systems and can help with troubleshooting. Keep your smartphone operating system updated to ensure compatibility with Starlink. Follow these best practices to prevent issues and maintain optimal performance. Always turn off the infotainment system before exiting your vehicle, and in extreme cold weather, allow the system to warm up before use. If multiple reset attempts fail to resolve issues, or if you see error codes on your display, it's time to seek professional help. Hardware problems like speaker issues or display damage also require professional attention. Remember to regularly back up important settings when possible. Understand your specific model's reset procedures and monitor Subaru's official channels for update announcements to keep your system running smoothly.